To launch our discussion of what is system dynamics, I have several graphics to help us focus on that question. From the very broadest viewpoint, we can say simply that system dynamics deals with situations that change through time. This covers a great deal of what most people are interested in, but it does not define what we actually do. Operationally, system dynamics uses a particular kind of computer simulation models to be used for understanding the behavior of systems and to improve the policies in those systems in order to get better behavior. System dynamics, unlike a number of modeling approaches, draws on a much bigger, broader set of information sources. Not only the numerical data, which is often the only input to modeling, but also the information that one finds in written databases, in libraries, in the press, about the nature of business and social systems, and most importantly, information that people have from their own experiences, information that they carry in their heads. If one were to imagine an organization, a university or a corporation, and at 10 o'clock some morning, everyone in it got up to leave, and your place was taken by someone with no experience at all in that organization or anything similar to it, and you would simply say to them, look at all the numerical data in my office, look at all of the written policies, and carry on for me. And of course, this would be totally impossible. The world runs on the databases in people's heads. It runs on experience. It is based on apprenticeship, by being there, by learning from doing, and it's our feeling in system dynamics that that database must be used if you're going to arrive at the structures and the policies to be represented in models. The system dynamics models are used ideally for designing policies to improve the behavior of systems. System dynamics is an activist kind of profession. It's aimed at understanding why things are going the way they are, understanding why there are problems in systems, but then taking a step beyond that toward altering the policies in systems to create a better behavior. And by policies, we mean the rules of decision making, the reasons why people make decisions, the rationale for decision making. And by policy, we cover everything that causes people to act one way or another. So it includes tradition, it includes value systems, it includes experience, it includes the culture of the system, as well as the more tangible kinds of information inputs. As such, then, system dynamics is not an isolated profession unto itself. It is a profession to be used to interpret behavior and policies in a wide variety of applications. And so we might speak of it as a meta-discipline, broadly applicable to problems in both physical and social systems and combinations of physical and social systems. And so we find applications of industrial dynamics running from the management field, where it originally started, to the growth and stagnation of cities, to environmental issues, to dynamics of internal medicine, to the management of medical systems, and even in some recent work in kindergarten through 12th grade, to the modeling of the psychological dynamics in various pieces of literature, and also the modeling of the social and economic forces that explain the thrust and forward movement of major historical episodes.